In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage inventory in Square. We'll walk through turning on inventory tracking, viewing your stock levels, and updating counts when things change. I'll guide you through the Square dashboard on the web so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. First, enable inventory tracking so Square can keep a running count of your items. Sign into your Square dashboard and open Items and Services, then choose Items, which is sometimes labeled Item Library. Next, head to Settings and open the Inventory section. Toggle on Enable Inventory Tracking for new items. If you already have products in your library, you can extend tracking to them as well. Go to Items, open Settings, select Inventory, and enable tracking for existing items. With this switched on, each item will have a stock count. Square will subtract from that count automatically when you sell, and you can add back or adjust it when you restock or make corrections. If you manage more than one location, double-check you're viewing the right location before making changes. Now, let's see where to view your current stock levels. From your dashboard, go to Items and Services, then Inventory Management, and Open Stock Overview. This is your snapshot of what's on hand. Use the filters to narrow things down by location, category, vendor, and more so you can focus on exactly what you need. When you find an item, click the On Hand field to view the quantity. If you notice something that needs adjusting, you can make changes right from there. Remember, the on-hand number reflects sales activity as it happens, so it's a reliable way to spot low quantities or discrepancies. When you need to update counts manually, such as receiving a delivery, recording damage, accounting for a loss, or doing a recount, do it from the item library. Open Items, click the item you want to update, and scroll to Manage Inventory. Click on Hand to begin your adjustment. Choose the appropriate stock action, like Receive Stock, Inventory, Recount, Damage, Loss, or Return. Enter the quantity and save. Picking the correct action keeps your records and reports accurate, so choose the option that best matches why you're changing the count. If the item has variations, such as different sizes or colors, make sure you adjust the quantity for each variation individually so your counts stay precise. That's it. Enable tracking, review your stock overview regularly, and use the right stock actions to keep your numbers clean. With these basics in place, you'll have a clear picture of what's available and what needs attention, right from your Square dashboard.